The latest model of Turkey's Bayraktar Kızılelma unmanned fighter jet, labeled TCB3, has successfully achieved maximum engine power with its afterburner activated during a ground test. This marks a major milestone in Turkey's pursuit of cutting-edge unmanned aerial combat technology. The TCB3 prototype was seen undergoing thorough testing, during which it reached full engine capacity while on the ground. This crucial test phase is intended to assess the aircraft's propulsion system and ensure it is prepared for more intensive flight tests. The engagement of the afterburner is especially significant as it confirms the jet's ability to generate the high thrust levels needed for advanced combat maneuvers and supersonic speeds. The afterburner system plays a vital role in the Kızılelma's propulsion technology. By adding extra fuel to the jet's exhaust, the afterburner greatly boosts thrust, enabling the aircraft to execute swift and aggressive maneuvers. This feature is crucial for dogfighting, rapid acceleration, and reaching supersonic speeds, positioning the Kızılelma as a powerful asset in modern aerial combat. As the Kızılelma program continues, further testing and development will focus on verifying the jet's flight performance and fine-tuning its systems for operational deployment. The achievement of the afterburner test is a positive indicator of the aircraft's potential and the capabilities it will offer on future battlefields. Stay tuned for further updates as Bayraktar Kızılelma progresses through its development phases and gets ready for flight, marking a substantial advancement in unmanned military aviation technology.